Hey friends, be here with another video for Whimsy Stamps. Let's go ahead and make a card. So the first thing that I'm gonna be doing is place this sticky mat here because I always have issues with my rubber stamps for some sort of, I don't know, reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and stamp this stamp, which is the comic book page, with some tuxedo black memento ink. So when you get your stamp, you get like this in case that you don't want to stamp the middle because you want to use these for an image, which is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put this aside because I'm not gonna use that piece this time, and I'm just gonna go ahead and center it as much as I can. And here we go. So here it is. Now I'm gonna cut inside here. Now in the shop, in the Whimsy shop, there is a die that you can use for this part, a comic book page die. So you can absolutely get it and it will be so much easier. And I don't know why I didn't get it, but since I didn't get it, I am now going to deal with cutting this out. The die would be so much easier, you guys, but okay, I'll deal with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this around with my X-Acto knife. If you do it with an X-Acto knife, please be very careful. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off camera and come back to show you. From the comics paper pack, I have chosen this paper right here, and all I'm gonna do is cut a little piece so I can glue it in the back here and be kind of like a background for this part. Now I want to add some color to these, and I am gonna try and match the blue and the red from here to add it to this part. And for this I'm gonna be using my Copic markers. So I wanted to show you real quick the way I do that when I have paper, and maybe you do it the same way, but if not, then here's a tip for you. So I have my swatches, right, for my Copic markers, and all I do is that I bring it close and see where these colors, this blue, is closest to. So here it would be to green, so I'm moving more towards this part right here for those, and for the red is just red. So here are the markers I'm gonna be using. For the blue, I'm gonna do bit 34, 45, 21, and for the red, I'm gonna do R46, 27, and 14. Now I'm gonna speed through this part and I'll see you when the coloring is done. Off camera, I went ahead and stamped and colored another image for the card. This one is the meme Make It Stop. I think it's so funny. It is so relatable. I just love this image. If you want to see me coloring, go ahead and check out my Instagram or Whimsy Stamps Instagram for a real coloring her. Now we can go ahead and put everything together. I have chosen this paper, which is the back side or front side of this that I chose for this part of the comic page. And this one is also from the same paper pack. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some glue. Then I have here my comic page, And I want to go ahead and glue this down here like so, but I want to make sure she's like in the middle, like you know, I want to prop her up a little bit with foam tape. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna add some glue around it. Like so, but I'm not gonna add glue here, so I can tuck her in. Flip it around, and then see, we have that space there too, but I think I wanna do kind of like this and then prop her up like she's coming out of the page, like help. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna add some glue here and some around here like that. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck her in there. This is so fun. This card was so much fun to put together like that. So she looks like that, a little bit raised. Maybe I could have added double, but I think it was gonna be too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and add foam tape to the back because I want even more dimension to this. To finish off my card, I used this die, which is the Comic Speech Bubbles 2 die set, and of course some of the sentiments. And this is how my card turned out. I absolutely love it. This card to me is so relatable and I cannot wait to gift it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.